Hi, this is Dr. Simeon Roger for Strategic Wealth Leadership, and I'm here to talk to you about the biggest decision you're going to make when you decide to get into network marketing, and that is what company should you go with, what business opportunities should you accept. Now, of course, when you look around the internet, you're going to find an awful lot of sensationalist crap whenever you go to check out a particular company. You're going to find headlines like, "Why I Hate Company X," or "Don't sign up for Company X until you read this shocking report." All of this is, sensationalist, low-level marketing gimmicks. Ignore it. What I'm here to do with MLM Watch is give you an objective assessment of particular companies, some of the best-known ones in the industry. And today we're going to talk about one of those. It's USANA Health Sciences. USANA, spelled U-S-A-N-A, is an extremely well-known health sciences outfit that's been in the network marketing field for many, many years. It's a very solid company, publicly traded, based out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Now, USANA is, basically an old-style MLM. It works with nutritional products. Its founder is Dr. Myron Wentz, who was trained as a microbiologist and immunologist. And because of his training, USANA's nutritional products are what I would call, as a health expert, I would call them more of the pharmaceutical type than of the organic type. Now, I put pharmaceutical in quotes only because, not pharmaceutical in the bad sense, only that their particular approach is sort of at that end of things. When I worked for USANA, it was the first multi-level marketing company I worked for. When I worked for them several years ago, they had, in fact, in their nutritional, not in their nutritional products, but in their personal care products, they did have some ingredients that I objected to at the time. However, they seem to have really cleaned that up, and their products are admittedly very, very good now. So there's no hesitation from my point of view, even as a health expert, in recommending their products. No, not at all. What I would say is that, I should tell you I had a really bad experience working with USANA. However, it was not the company's fault. It had nothing to do with the company. It had to do with an unscrupulous wealth guru who said that if we joined his USANA team, he would feed us qualified leads. Well, I worked with those qualified leads for a month and determined none of them were qualified at all. So I left, and I simply resigned and said, this business model doesn't work. And then to my surprise and shock, my entire upline resigned. Same day, said, you're right, this is crap, a waste of time. Now, that, of course, was not USANA's fault. However, it does highlight one of the problems that USANA has as a typical multi-level marketing company using the traditional MLM model. The traditional MLM model has at least 5 problems with it, problems that are inherent that make it difficult to use as a home business opportunity. The first one is the obsolete marketing methods out of the 1950s. This whole idea of trying to talk to your friends and family, trying to convince them to come into the business, trying to talk to strangers in shopping malls, doing cold calls or buying leads, all this stuff, very low-level stuff, not effective, very time-intensive, simply doesn't work, and is the reason why 97% of people who try this method fail. Problem number 2 is the schizophrenia between the product that you're ostensibly selling, which is your, in this case, nutritional, and the real product, which is the business opportunity. And the fact that there is no inherent relationship between these two causes a great deal of confusion in the mind of your prospect. Problem number 3 is the low prices of the products, which mean you have to sell a lot of them in order to make serious money. Problem number 4 is the absence of any viable marketing system. There is no automated online marketing system that makes it possible to really market effectively. And finally, there's no marketing training that makes any sense whatsoever, no marketing training that can seriously turn someone into an excellent marketer. So the absence of, or the problem is with these 5 features of the traditional multi-level marketing model, it's very difficult to make a home-based business really go. And that's why when I score USANA on our scale, I gave it no more than 5 out of 10 as a viable home-based business opportunity, even though it's an excellent company. And the reason I did that is if you're using their marketing methods, the ones they teach you, you're going to have a great deal of trouble. If, however, you put them together with an automated online marketing system, a world-class automated online marketing system, then you have a powerhouse, and you could easily be looking at something that I would give 8 out of 10 on a scale of viability as a home-based business. So if you'd like to know how to take USANA or any multi-level marketing opportunity, pretty much, and put it together with that kind of marketing system, you can go to strategicwealthleadership.com, and there you'll see how it's done. So we'll be evaluating other companies as we go through this series in MLM Watch. I hope you can join us to learn more about them. See you next time.